And I have a brain freeze now. Ow. Yeah, don't drink it fast. Oh. I just got pixie-fied. Pixie dusted. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this. She is good. Hey there, hi there, ho there. Welcome to my kitchen. So because we are on lockdown, since we're social distancing because of coronavirus, I'm going a little stir crazy and I miss Disney. So I am going to make today one of my favorite drinks from the Epcot bar that is in Mexico. It is the Avocado Margarita. I have found a recipe online and we are going to make it together and then you can make it at home. I actually just had to run out to the liquor store and get some Midori because I was out. But I had all the other ingredients except for the lime. So I'm going to use lime juice instead. So we're going to improvise with that. So what you're going to need is Midori, which is a melon liqueur. You're going to need some white tequila. Mine has been in the freezer, so it's nice and cold. You're going to need agave. I have blue agave nectar. It'll work just fine. You need one avocado, actually only a half avocado per drink, and some limes, but I'm going to use lime juice. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to put some ice into my cup, which is actually part of the magic bullet. I'm going to use a magic bullet instead of an actual full blender because I'm only making one cocktail. So if you have a magic bullet or something like that, you could use that instead of the entire blender, which is what I'm going to do. I am starting with a little bit of ice in the bottom. And first we need a half a ripe Haas avocado, which I'm going to cut right now. All right, there we go. So it's calling for a half of a ripe Haas avocado. This one's nice and ripe. Scoop that right in there. Next up is 2 ounces of the agave tequila, which is this. Now, an ounce is 2 tablespoons. And because my shot glass is not an actual ounce glass like I used to have, I'm just gonna do the tablespoon method to make sure I have the right amount. So 2 tablespoons is in 1 ounce, and I need 2 ounces, so I'm gonna need 4 tablespoons of the tequila. Here we go. All right, there's 4. Next up, it's calling for 1 ounce of the Midori melon liqueur. That is going to be 2 tablespoons. This stuff smells really good. There's 2. Okay. Then we need the juice of 1 lime, which is about 1 ounce. But because I don't have an actual lime, we're just going to use 1 ounce of the lime juice. So that is going to be 2 tablespoons of that. There's 1. And here's 2. Perfect. Still some left in the bottle. Then I need 1 ounce of the agave syrup. So that is 2 tablespoons of that. This is where obviously the sweetness is going to come in. Now, if you've ever been to Epcot in Mexico and you have not been to the bar yet, I highly suggest it. They've got some really unique, interesting drinks. And this happens to be one of my favorites. I tend to get this one a lot just because I like it so much. And I never knew to make it at home until I just found the recipe. Now, I don't like salt on my rim. This looks like the glass that they serve it in at the restaurant or at the bar. So I'm going to use this. I actually got this on a Royal Caribbean cruise. And then last but not least, we need some more ice. You want it to be frosty, and I don't think this is quite enough ice, so I'm going to add some more. All right, let's mix this up and see what it turns out to be. Now, if it doesn't have enough ice in it, I can always add more. So we'll see how it goes. So here we go. Here's the consistency. It looks like it needs to be just a little thicker, so I'm going to add more ice. Now you're supposed to mix it until it's smooth and creamy. It's definitely creamy. I just like it really frozen. They actually rim theirs in a hibiscus salt, But again, I'm not big on the whole salt thing, so I'm just gonna leave mine as is. All right, I think we have the consistency I'm looking for. Oh yeah, that's a lot thicker. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that, and it literally makes just enough for one. Yum. I'm adding a straw because I like my cocktails with a straw. All right, now for the taste test. Okay, it's good, but it doesn't 100% taste like the one at Disney. I don't know what's off. Oh, man. Or maybe it's growing on me. Hang on a second. I think I wasn't going to the bottom of the glass. It's actually really not bad. It's really good. Well, there you go. I'm going to link the recipe below, and you can try it yourself while you're locked in the house too. So you can get your Disney fix. And I have a brain freeze now. Ow. Yeah, don't drink it fast. Ah. Ooh. Brain freeze. Okay. Well, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you on my next adventure, whatever that'll be. All right, you guys take care and stay safe and healthy and keep washing your hands. I'm gonna go finish my cocktail.